Imagine a garden where every corner bursts with color, where the air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and where every petal seems to whisper stories of beauty and time. In this world, annual flowers reign, bringing fleeting yet unforgettable moments of joy. These flowers bloom quickly, paint the landscape with vibrant hues, and leave you wondering how something so short-lived can create such lasting memories. Come, step into this floral wonderland, and discover the magic that happens when nature's colors bloom in an instant. Petunias, with their soft, velvety petals, dance in the breeze like whispers of summer. Their vibrant colors, ranging from delicate pastels to rich, bold hues, bring life to any garden, evoking a sense of joy and warmth. Whether in hanging baskets or blooming along the garden's edge, petunias create a stunning display that captivates the heart. Their sweet fragrance lingers in the air, inviting you to pause and admire their beauty, a timeless reminder that nature's simplest gifts can bring the most profound moments of peace and serenity. Marigolds, with their golden, fiery blooms, radiate a warmth that seems to light up the entire garden. Their vibrant oranges and yellows evoke the spirit of sunshine, filling the air with a sense of happiness and hope. These flowers, bold and cheerful, stand proudly amidst the green foliage, their colors like a painter's brushstroke across the canvas of nature. With every petal unfurled, marigolds seem to whisper stories of joy, of summer days that stretch on forever, and of beauty that thrives even in the most ordinary moments. Zinnias, with their vibrant and bold colors, are the embodiment of summer's cheerful spirit. From soft pinks to fiery reds and oranges, these flowers bloom with a zest for life, drawing butterflies and bees with their radiant beauty. Their petals, delicate yet sturdy, create a tapestry of color that seems to brighten the world around them. Whether planted in rows or scattered in wild, carefree clusters, zinnias bring a touch of whimsy and joy to any garden, making them a perfect symbol of nature's endless energy and the simple pleasures of life. Impatiens, with their soft, glowing petals, are like delicate drops of color scattered across a shaded garden. Their vibrant reds, pinks, purples, and whites seem to light up the darker corners, creating an inviting haven of beauty and calm. These flowers, gentle and elegant, bloom effortlessly throughout the season, adding a touch of grace to any space. With their lush green leaves and constant flow of color, impatiens remind us that even in the quietest, shadiest places, there is always room for beauty and warmth to blossom. Begonias, with their glossy, heart-shaped leaves and stunning blooms, are a true garden treasure. Their vibrant flowers, ranging from soft pinks to fiery reds and pure whites, burst forth with effortless elegance, filling the air with a subtle charm. Whether in sunny spots or shaded corners, begonias thrive with grace, their blooms steady and long-lasting. Their delicate petals seem to shimmer under the light, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and beauty. Begonias offer more than just color, they bring a sense of calm and wonder, making any garden feel like a serene escape. Snapdragons, with their tall, elegant spires, bring a touch of whimsy and drama to the garden. Their vibrant blooms, in shades of red, pink, yellow, and purple, open like tiny dragon mouths, playfully welcoming the breeze. Standing proudly among other flowers, snapdragons add vertical interest and a burst of color that never fails to captivate. Their unique shape and lively hues make them a favorite for gardeners who seek both beauty and charm. With each bloom, snapdragons evoke a sense of wonder, as if the garden itself is alive with stories waiting to be told. Cosmos, with their airy, delicate petals, seem to float like little stars in the garden. Their vibrant shades of pink, purple, and white create a soft yet striking contrast against the greenery, as if nature herself has painted a masterpiece. These flowers, with their gentle sway in the breeze, bring an effortless beauty to any space, attracting butterflies and bees with their simple charm. Cosmos remind us of the fleeting magic of summer, where beauty appears in the most unexpected places, bringing peace and joy with every bloom. Geraniums, with their rich, velvety blooms, add a timeless elegance to any garden. Their vibrant colors, bright reds, pinks, and purples, bring warmth and life, even on the most overcast days. The soft scent of their leaves lingers in the air, creating an atmosphere of comfort and familiarity. Geraniums are the perfect balance of resilience and beauty, thriving in both sun and shade, blooming endlessly throughout the season. With every petal that unfurls, they invite you to pause, take a deep breath, and appreciate the simple, enduring grace of nature. Lobelia, with its cascading vines of vivid blue or purple flowers, creates a breathtaking display of color that seems to spill effortlessly from hanging baskets and window boxes. The delicate blossoms, small yet abundant, form a vibrant carpet of hues that dance in the breeze, adding a touch of whimsy to any garden. Lobelia's trailing habit brings a sense of softness and fluidity, as if the garden itself is gently moving with the wind. These flowers, graceful and persistent, bring both charm and a refreshing burst of color, inviting the viewer to pause and take in their serene beauty. Nasturtiums, with their bright, fiery blooms, are a celebration of color in the garden. Their rich oranges, reds, and yellows seem to glow in the sunlight, adding an unmistakable warmth to any space. These cheerful flowers, with their rounded, vibrant petals, not only brighten the garden but also bring a playful, almost exotic touch. Nasturtiums are as versatile as they are beautiful, with both their flowers and leaves being edible, offering a unique blend of beauty and practicality. Their bold colors and sweet fragrance make them an unforgettable addition to any garden, spreading joy wherever they bloom. Salvia, with its tall, spiky blooms, brings a dramatic flair to the garden. Available in stunning shades of red, purple, and blue, these flowers rise proudly above the foliage, adding a vertical burst of color that draws the eye. The striking shape of Salvia's flowers, like little flames of color, attracts hummingbirds and butterflies, filling the air with life. Their vivid hues create a bold contrast against the green landscape, making them a standout feature in any garden. Salvia embodies both strength and beauty, infusing any space with energy and a sense of vibrancy. Alyssum, with its delicate clusters of tiny, sweet-smelling flowers, is a true garden gem. The soft whites, purples, and pinks seem to shimmer like a blanket of stars across the soil, creating a soothing, almost ethereal effect. These low-growing blooms are perfect for filling in gaps, edging flower beds, or cascading over containers, offering a gentle contrast to taller flowers. Their honey-like fragrance invites bees and butterflies, creating a peaceful harmony in the garden. Alyssum's soft beauty and graceful presence bring a sense of tranquility, as if the garden itself is breathing with calm and joy. Sweet peas, with their fragrant, pastel-colored blooms, evoke the essence of spring's delicate charm. Their soft, flowing petals, ranging from blush pink to lavender, cream, and deep purples, seem to flutter like tiny butterflies in the breeze. These climbing vines add height and elegance to any garden, their flowers appearing in graceful clusters that beckon you closer. Sweet pea's enchanting fragrance fills the air, creating an atmosphere of romance and nostalgia. With every bloom, they remind us of simpler times, where beauty was found in quiet moments and the softest of whispers from nature. Bachelor's buttons, or cornflowers, are the heart of any cottage garden with their striking blue, pink, and purple blossoms. Their spiky petals create a whimsical, almost wild look, as if they've been painted by nature herself. These hardy flowers stand tall and proud, their vibrant hues adding a splash of color amidst the greenery. Known for attracting pollinators, Bachelor's buttons not only bring beauty but also contribute to the garden's ecosystem. Their simple, yet captivating charm makes them a favorite, reminding us that sometimes the most beautiful things in nature are also the most unpretentious. Sunflowers, with their bold, golden faces turned toward the sun, bring a sense of joy and warmth to any garden. Their towering stems, crowned with bright yellow petals and dark centers, create a striking contrast against the sky and surrounding greenery. Sunflowers seem to radiate energy, their cheerful blooms standing tall as symbols of positivity and strength. These flowers draw the eye and lift the spirit, making them perfect for creating a vibrant, uplifting garden space. With every sunflower that blooms, nature reminds us to embrace the light and to always stand tall, no matter the season. Gerbera Daisies, with their bold, vibrant petals, bring a burst of cheerful color to any garden or bouquet. Available in nearly every color of the rainbow, bright reds, pinks, oranges, yellows, and purples, these flowers seem to radiate happiness and energy. Their large, daisy-like blooms create a striking focal point, whether in beds, containers, or as cut flowers. Gerbera daisies, with their simple yet captivating beauty, have a way of making even the dullest spaces come alive. Their brilliant colors and happy disposition make them a symbol of joy, inviting a smile with every glance. Vinca, also known as periwinkle, is a vibrant and versatile flower that thrives in both sun and partial shade. With its bright pink, red, and purple blooms, it adds a cheerful pop of color to any garden, blooming continuously throughout the summer. The glossy, dark green leaves serve as a perfect backdrop to the vivid flowers, creating a balanced and attractive display. Vinca is a hardy annual, able to tolerate heat and drought, making it an ideal choice for low-maintenance gardens. Its resilience and enduring beauty bring a sense of brightness and cheerfulness, even in the toughest conditions. Calibrachoa, often called million bells, is a stunning flower known for its abundance of small, bell-shaped blooms that cover the plant in a vibrant, continuous display of color. Available in shades of pink, purple, yellow, white, and red, these little flowers seem to cascade effortlessly from hanging baskets, containers, and window boxes, creating a cheerful, overflowing effect. Calibrachoa thrives in full sun and loves to be watered regularly, making it perfect for bright, sunny gardens. Its compact size and profuse blooms make it a perfect choice for adding color and charm to small spaces, bringing a lively touch of beauty wherever it's planted. Petchoa, a hybrid between Petunias and Calibrachoa, combines the best qualities of both flowers. With its abundant, vibrant blooms, Petchoa provides a continuous display of color in shades of pink, purple, yellow, and white, adding a bold splash to any garden. These flowers, with their small, rounded petals, are not only eye-catching but also incredibly durable, withstanding both heat and rain, making them perfect for summer gardens. Their trailing nature makes them ideal for hanging baskets or containers, creating a soft, flowing cascade of color. Petchoa's long-lasting beauty and vibrant charm ensure that your garden remains lively and full of energy throughout the season. Portulaca, also known as moss rose, is a hardy and vibrant flower that thrives in hot, dry conditions. With its succulent-like leaves and bright, colorful blooms in shades of pink, orange, yellow, and red, Portulaca adds a cheerful burst of color to any garden. These low-growing, spreading flowers are perfect for rock gardens, hanging baskets, or along garden borders, where they can fill empty spaces with their effortless beauty. Portulaca's resilience in the face of heat and drought, combined with its dazzling array of colors, makes it a perfect choice for creating a sunny, carefree garden that remains beautiful through the summer heat. As the petals fade and the season comes to an end, the memories of these beautiful blooms linger in the heart. Each flower, with its brief yet brilliant life, reminds us of the fleeting nature of time and the beauty in every moment. Though the colors may fade, the feeling they leave behind will stay with us long after the garden has rested. So, let your heart be touched by the ephemeral magic of nature, and remember, the most beautiful things are often the ones that bloom just for a while.